Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to hide your friends list on Facebook. Hiding your Facebook friends list is very useful in protecting your privacy from other users you don't know on this platform. So let me show you the process on the latest version of the Facebook app. Open Facebook and click on the profile picture with settings icon in top right corner. Scroll down and find Settings and Privacy. Click on that option. Then click on Settings. Scroll down again and find How people find and contact you. More available options for settings will appear on the screen. We are interested in the second option, Who can see your friends list. This option is used to control access to your friends list. By default, this option is set to public. If you want to prevent others from accessing your friends list, choose the option Only Me. It's important to note that by selecting this option, only you will be able to see your full friends list on your timeline, while other people will see only mutual friends. There are other options you can choose from that may suit your needs. Thank you for your attention. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials on solving everyday issues on mobile devices and computers.